So it can be divided into 4 different laboratory disciplines, where we have infection sciences, we have blood sciences, we have cellular pathology, and genetics and molecular pathology. So infection sciences encompasses microbiology and virology. So microbiology is the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and parasites which cause disease. Now, biomedical scientists working in this field identify these organisms and establish their sensitivity to specific antibodies. Whereas virology is the study of viruses and the diseases caused by them, such as German measles, HIV, and chickenpox. Now, these virologists are also involved in monitoring the effects of vaccines. Within blood science, we have clinical chemistry, we have haematology and transfusion, and also something called immunology. Now, in clinical chemistry, the scientists analyse blood and other bloody fluids to detect enzymes, chemicals, and hormones to help the diagnosis of disease, such as diabetes and cancer. They also carry out toxicological studies, test kidney and liver functions, and help to monitor therapies. Now, transfusion science is identifying blood groups for blood donation and ensure the correct blood group is matched to the patient that is due to receive a transfusion. They also make sure there's enough blood stocks reserved for critical incidents such as road traffic accidents and, of course, operations. Now, haematology is the study of blood. In this discipline, haematologists are involved with the formation, composition, function, and disease of blood. Now, some of the diseases diagnosed within this department are leukemia, malaria, and anemia. Scientists in immunology deal with the condition of the body's immune system and its role in infectious diseases, allergies, tumour growth, and organ transplantations. The work is particularly important in monitoring and treatments of conditions such as AIDS, but also in conditions such as autoimmune diseases, where the body starts attacking itself. Cellular pathology is an umbrella term for histology and cytology, which is the microscopical study of tissues and cells to establish the cause of disease. Now, again, these tissues can be taken at your family doctor's, could be taken from surgery, or at post-mortem to establish the cause of death. So diseases such as cancer are diagnosed by looking for abnormal features in these tissues and cells. And cytology is best known for screening cervical smears, so where we look for changes in the cells that could lead to a diagnosis of cervical cancer. In this department, specialised techniques are used to prepare and study these cellular material. And finally, we get to the genetics and molecular pathology. Now, genetics is the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in living organisms. It is generally considered a field of biology, but it intersects frequently with many other life sciences and is strongly linked with the study of information systems. Now, molecular pathology is an emerging discipline within pathology, which is focused in the study and diagnosis of disease through the examination of molecules within organs, tissues, or body fluids. Every discipline in the pathology lab will have some aspect of molecular pathology, and it does mean that we can actually deliver personalised medicine to the patients.